46 million Americans. It's a lot of people, and it is the number of Americans the Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services Administration estimates are living with a substance abuse disorder, and it's a number that is growing every year. Joining me to talk about this issue and the help that is out there for folks is Heather Ormand, who is the Chief Executive Officer at Nexus Family Recovery Center here in Dallas. Appreciate you joining us today.
Thank you for having me.
Well, let's get into it. The American Medical Association said that overdoses in the United States have been declared an epidemic. Why are we seeing this at a level where we're seeing that kind of declaration?
Well, when you look at just our world right now and all of the stressors that exist, it's not that substance use disorders are new, it's just people have access to more things now. And so we're hearing about it more because what is available and on the market is more deadly. And so people are dying of overdoses and people are reaching out for help in any way they can find it.
Well, when people do reach out for help, the Nexus Family Recovery Center is a place where they can get some of that kind of help. What resources do you guys have available?
So we provide both residential and outpatient treatment for women only. And one of the really unique things about Nexus is we allow women to bring up to 3 children into residential services with them. So we remove that barrier that most moms have of where are my children going to go and be safe while I seek treatment and help for myself.
How do you see this issue differently in North Texas and maybe other parts of the country? Do you know any specific aspects to this area we live in?
Well, I think one unique thing about Texas is that there are only 7 treatment providers that allow women to bring children with them. And so what the data tells us is that 1 in 4 children are living with a parent with a substance use disorder. So the need is certainly there and the need is great. And so to be able to access those services and be able to get help with your children is so critically important.
September is National Recovery Month. What is your hope, when this month is all said and done, when it comes to the awareness you're able to raise?
So National Recovery Month is so important because we want people to know that there's life and joy and levity in recovery. Mm-hmm. When you first start on your sobriety journey, you just think about all the things that you're giving up. And I'm speaking from firsthand experience. I've been sober for over 13 years. And at first you can't imagine, how am I gonna laugh again? Or how am I gonna enjoy myself at a wedding or a party? How am I gonna dance in public? Mm-hmm. Like, that's almost impossible. And so we want people to know that there is life and joy and fun in recovery. And for people that might be struggling, to see that we do recover. It is possible. And there are so many people here to help you.
I mean, you have to have some unique insight into what the folks that you serve are experiencing. How do you think that helps them find recovery?
I mean, I truly think that's why what we do works. We are an amazing community of women that are in recovery ourselves. Over half of our staff are walking the walk that our clients walk. And so to be able to look somebody in the eye and say, I've done this, I know it's hard right now, but you can get through it, is just, you can't replace that.
I think for a lot of folks, that's an obstacle, is feeling like when you struggle with your own feelings about yourself, thinking someone might judge you, but if you know someone's walking alongside you, that can be just a tremendous resource. I imagine some of our viewers today may want some help themselves or may want to find out ways that they can get involved. Where would you point them?
Our website is a tremendous place where they can learn about Nexus, but also the recovery resources that are available. That's nexusrecovery.org. Also, just Googling, like everything else in life, substance use disorder or where can I get help can be tremendously useful.
Well, great information. Thank you for sharing it with our viewers, especially this month, September, National Recovery Month. And here's hoping folks can get pointed toward Nexus that need your help.
Thank you.
All right.